Hi everyone, Namaste, welcome back to my channel. And in this video I'm gonna do another one brand tutorial और ये है brand L'Oreal. So I'm just gonna start off with a hydrating mist और उसके बाद मैं लगा रही हूँ Revital Lift 1.5% hyaluronic acid serum from L'Oreal Paris, and I'm just blending merging it into my skin, not blending, and this makes my skin so plump and hydrated, so automatically my makeups look good. So next I'm using True Match foundation from L'Oreal again, and the shade I'm using is golden sand, a perfect match for my skin tone, as you can see. So इसे मैं एक foundation blending brush की मदद से I'm just gonna blend it really nicely. So first I'm doing my base and then I will go to eyes. So the next thing I'm gonna use is the concealer, और concealer मैं use कर रही हूँ Infallible Full Wear Concealer in the shade 312. Really good concealer. I don't feel like using any powder over it because ये एकदम matte हो जाता है after blending, and I love this concealer a lot. Infallible range is kind of my favorite from L'Oreal, and I love using this concealer. So with a blending brush I'm just gonna blend this concealer really nicely, और मैं अपने lids पे भी लगा रही हूँ जो भी concealer brush पे है, ताकि मेरी जो skin tone है वो एक तरह से even tone हो जाए. There's no pigmentation or dark spots in my skin, and I really didn't needed any powder over this concealer, so मैंने इसे set भी नहीं किया किसी powder से. I'm directly gonna do my eyes. So सबसे पहले मैं use कर रही हूँ eyebrows के लिए ये brown eyeshadow from their eyeshadow palette, और जो palette का नाम है that is Feminist. It's by L'Oreal again, of course, because L'Oreal one brand tutorial है. So I'm just gonna fill in my eyebrows using the brown shade, and then I'm gonna just move to the eyes. So for eyes only I'm using the same palette, La Petite eyeshadow palette in the shade Feminist, और मैं again वही brown eyeshadow ले रही हूँ, and I'm taking in fluffy blending brush और मैं outer corners पे लगा रही हूँ, and then I'm just blending into my crease and towards my inner corners of my eyes, and then I'm taking a little bit smaller brush और जो मैं brown eyeshadow है उसे थोड़ा सा intense कर रही हूँ, dense कर रही हूँ, and then I'm gonna take this green eyeshadow on a flat shader brush और इसे अपने outer corners पे लगा रही हूँ, like outer third, and I'm just blending it with the brown. और आप देख सकते हैं मैंने अपना inner third बिल्कुल blank छोड़ा है because I'm just gonna use another eyeshadow on that area, and I'm blending it really nicely with the brown. Now I'm taking this copper color and I'm just applying to my inner third, and I'm again leaving the tear duct part, the inner corners, because वहाँ पे मैं highlight कर लगाऊंगी, and I'm using a smaller brush and I'm just gonna blend it with the green eyeshadow I applied earlier. And then I'm just gonna take this shimmery creamy shade and I'm just gonna pop this eyeshadow right into my inner corners और उसे मैं blend करूँगी the copper shade जो मैंने लिया है. Then I'm just gonna intensify the green using my fingers a little bit, and then I'm taking again that creamy shimmery shade और मैं उसे अपने brow bone जो है वो highlight करूँगी. And I really wanted to use all the colors from the palette, so इसमें जो ये purple shade है इसे मैंने smudge किया है अपने lower lash पे, and I'm just gonna blend it with the outer corners of my eyes, and I'm just gonna give a really nice soft smoky look by blending it with a pencil brush. Now I'm gonna use an eyeliner, और जो liner मैं use कर रही हूँ that is their matte signature eyeliner, और सबसे पहले मैं उनका brown eyeliner use कर रही हूँ, and I'm just winging it out, normal wing liner लगा रही हूँ इससे because I really wanted that soft look जो कि brown eyeliner से आती है. And I'm also using the black eyeliner from the same range, but I'm just applying right to my lash line just to define my eyes. For the eyelashes, I'm using their Lash Paradise mascara. Really good mascara. It's waterproof. I don't generally prefer waterproof because they are like pain to take off, but otherwise the mascara is really good and really nice. So I'm also gonna apply some fake lashes. Sadly, there's no fake lashes from L'Oreal, so मुझे दूसरे brand की use करनी पड़ी. But yeah, that's how my eye looks. So that's the eye look. So now let's just move to the face again. और फेस के लिए मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ देयर ले मोनो कलर पाउडर ब्लश इन द शेड 11B फेस. रियली प्रिटी matte shade. I loved the shade. Matte hai to I love matte blushes and matte everything, so I really loved it. And I'm just applying two apples of my cheeks and I'm just blending it towards my hairline. Also I'm just a little bit contouring with the same blush, and I'm just blending it really nicely. So मेरे पास highlighter नहीं था अलग से कुछ L'Oreal का, so I'm just using that creamy shimmery shade eyeshadow, and I'm just highlighting with that only my nose, cupid's bow, chin, cheeks, chin, everything with that shade, and it worked perfectly. You know, it was looking really nice as a highlighter, the eyeshadow. Yeah, now for the lips, I am using their Rouge Signature Matte Lipstick, and the shade I'm using is 116 I Explore. Really nice nude shade. I love this shade. थोड़ा सा time लेती हैं ये dry होने में lipsticks, but they're really nice. I have done the whole range swatches and video. If you wanna go and check it out, you can just go ahead. And that completes my look for L'Oreal one brand makeup look. I hope ये look आपको अच्छा लगा होगा and you liked it, and yeah, that's it for the video.
Tell me, babe, why are we playing games? It's you and me. Everybody else they noticing, baby, focus.
So I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, stay beautiful. Please do subscribe, help me grow, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye, take care. Mwah.